Awesome. Yes, tell me.
Sir, will you teach me animation?
Sorry?
Sir, will you teach me animation?
Any what?
Sir, will you teach me animation?
I
Okay.
can't.
Okay, I understood. You want to learn animations?
Okay, animation.
Yes, today probably we will be making some. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So,
Sir, will you also teach in Blender?
No, beta, Blender is something very different. It is like a 3D modeling tool. That is little different. So I would be taking you towards coding only.
he's just in class 4. He's a super active boy. Okay. Yeah. And so you have to keep.
Blender is generally used for making 3D models and all.
So you have to keep control on him. He will go talking. Okay. All the kids who have just joined, I'm sure you know you have to greet your ma'am, right? Your ma'am is here. I'm not hearing anyone greeting ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening,
Good
sir.
evening. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon,
Good afternoon, all of you.
Yes, come on. This is the basic courtesy, right? We are all learning in school.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Vijay. So all have joined. Can
Yes,
we
yes.
start?
Yeah, we can start.
Okay, great. So today what we will be doing, today we'll be starting with arcade first of all, and or what you want. You want to do the Python thing first? Chalo, okay, I have opened Python. Let's do Python and then we'll do that arcade, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So yes, we were doing this all yesterday we had done these all programs. I hope all of you remember. So we are going to continue to this. Okay. So pentagon, all of you, and already I think most of you had learned how to create a hexagon. Think so also most of you know how to create a hexagon now. Okay, now today we are going to make it little beautiful, and we will also learn one more thing that is called go-to statements, okay? And circles and all, and we'll learn how to make a Pac-Man game. Yes, Hari, Harish, is it Harish? Okay, so all of you please open your the same file. How to open it? What you need to do? Go to colab.research.google.com, and then when you go to file, open notebook, and there you will find your file, whatever you had created yesterday. So do that. If you don't remember the website, I am just putting the
Ma'am.
yes, child.
See,
Ma'am.
three, four people have just joined today. So
Okay.
before 5 minutes, you may have
No
to take them
issues.
back.
No issues. What we'll do, we'll copy. I'm giving you the link in the chat window. So you need to go to this window. Okay, and sign in using your any Gmail ID. Okay, you can see colab.research.google.com I have given over there. And after that, I'll show it from the scratch how to do it. 1 minute. Let me go to a new window. Okay, I hope all of you are able to see my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I am pasting the link here, colab.research.google.com. Okay. Now you need to sign in using your any Gmail ID, whatever ID you are using. Suppose I am using my Gmail ID.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, child. So I have signed in into my Gmail ID. Okay, the same you do on any good afternoon, bache. Just follow the steps that I am doing. You need to go to colab.research.google.com. Okay. And after that, you need to sign in using your any Gmail ID. You can see your profile pic over here. Okay, once you have done that, then you need to click on new notebook. Okay, click on new notebook.
क्या कर दिया भाप सब निकलता है जानते हो तो वैसे कैसे कर दिया
So, okay, once you have clicked on new notebook, you will get a blank new notebook like this. Okay. Now here untitled one is written. You need to select it and write your name here. Okay. Suppose if I'm writing my name, so you can write like I have written Annie Turtle Game programs like that. You can write anything, your name over there. So those who have done yesterday, they don't need to do it. You need to just open your yesterday's file only. And those who have joined today, they need to start from here. Clear everyone? Should I do it again?
Yes,
Or you have understood? Okay. Okay, do it again. No issues. I am doing it again. See. What I did, I went to the browser. Okay. Go to the browser and then you type. So after that, what you do? You need to go, paste the link colab.research.google.com. Okay. Once you have done that, click there. Okay. And then you need to sign in using your any Gmail ID. Okay. Suppose I am signing using my Gmail ID. Okay. The ID and the password you need to give. One second, child. Okay. So if you have reached at this position, what do you need to do? You need to simple from I hope till here everyone has come to this position. Those who are new for today, then you need to click on new notebook. Is it clear? Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I hope everyone has understood how to do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now once you have done that, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to close it. So if you have come to this position, then you need to go to, for those also, those who have come today, for them also, you need to execute this line again. So I am giving this.
please do it again
Okay. So this code you need to write. You will get, there is two types of blocks here in Colab. One is the executable code and the other one is the text code. So there is text and code. So by default, you will get one line over here. You copy this line. See, what I'm doing, I am pasting this in the, this one, your chat window. Copy that line from there and paste it over here and execute it. This is for everyone, those who have come today also and those who are yesterday also. Because what happens, this is like we are using Colab, but every day we need to just start this thing. Okay?
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, it is not opening.
What is not opening, beta?
This link.
No, link you, there is link where, which one?
Ma'am, in chat.
Chat, the first is the link. You need to copy that link and paste it in your browser. Okay, the second one is the collab. This is the coding that you need to paste it over here. This you need to paste it at this place. When you open a new window, you get a small box like this. There you need to paste it. This is not a clickable link. The first one is a clickable link there that you can click and go to that website.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta?
Ma'am, it is showing an error.
Where? What error it is coming? You were yesterday
Ma'am,
also,
when
na?
I create
Child, you were
this,
there yesterday
ma'am,
also, na?
it shows an error. Could not find a version that satisfies the requirement Collab Turtle Plus.
Oh, Colab Turtle Plus. Where you are writing?
Ma'am, I am writing in the box.
This one, pip install you are writing. Can you
Yes, ma'am.
rotate your camera and show me that error?
Okay.
Mm, 1 second. So, pip install Colab Turtle Plus. Did you write the spelling correct?
Yes, ma'am.
C is capital, turtle is capital, plus P is capital.
Yes, ma'am. It is.
Today only you have joined or yesterday also you were there, beta? I think yesterday also you were there.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, I was yesterday also.
So yesterday you didn't do.
Ma'am, I do.
Then what is the error? Yesterday you were doing it, na?
Yes, ma'am.
So you just need to click yesterday also the same code I have written and what? 1 minute. Let me see your window first. Show me your cam, beta. Pip install Colab. Turtle spelling is wrong, beta. Turtle. You have written Turtle. That's what is error. See the spelling of turtle.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Turtle plus. Now it will work. See, it is working. Yes, child.
Yes, ma'am. The after the hexagon, we have to again write explanation mark pip install curl
1 second, 1 second.
collab
No,
turtle.
see, this only first statement you need to execute every day whenever you open the notebook because it is our Gmail ID. So what happens in our Gmail ID many a times? Huh?
Afternoon.
This
Yes.
every day, only first time. This one, once I'll do this. After that, there is no requirement. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. I have done that.
Done na? Now we'll go down.
Okay.
And yes, we'll go down. For children, those who have come today, we are going to make new program where we will be using, you will be creating other things, okay? So there is no link actually, but little bit link is there. So no issues. We are going to make something new, interesting. So today we are going to draw a circle, okay? So write the question what I'm doing.
Anything.
Yes,
Ma'am, I can't understand anything.
you are not able to start anything. Why? See what I told you, all of you to write this statement. Okay, this line. And just click on this triangle sign, then it will execute. After that, you need to you need to write this, you need to click on text so that you are able to write anything. Okay. So I clicked on this text and I am writing this question. Question we write like this. Write a program to draw a circle. Okay. I hope all of you have understood how to do this. Write a program to draw a
No.
circle.
No, ma'am.
What
Ma'am, should we write the text VAP to draw a circle?
Yes, text. In the text only you need to write.
Okay, ma'am.
Who is having error? Who is having any problem? Someone is saying that. Huh?
Vidisha.
Vidisha, what happened, beta?
Ma'am, I am just joining just now. Ma'am, can you explain what
Okay, you
we
have
have to
joined
do?
just now. Okay. So what you need
Yes,
to do?
ma'am.
You need to go to 1 second. You need to go to your Gmail ID or anywhere. Means you need to open any browser. Okay, once you have opened your browser, then what you need to do?
Ma'am,
Yes. Okay, just let me know who all are new today. Just you can raise your hand. Okay, Nishant is new. Kavi is new, Nishant is new. Okay, two children are there who are today only they have joined. So children, what you need to do, both of you, you need to go to any browser. What is a browser? Can you name any browser? Yes, children, what do you mean? What is browser? If I'm saying referring to browser, what does it mean? Yes? No one knows what is a browser. Yes, children, no one knows. Internet Explorer, your Edge browser, Google, this Chrome browser, these all are
ma'am,
browsers.
Firefox.
Yes, Firefox is also a
Microsoft
browser.
Edge.
Yes, that is also a browser.
Mr.
The browser I am using is Microsoft Edge browser. Okay, you can go to any of the browser like I have gone, and there you need to type wherever you write your URL address, the place you need to copy this code in the chat window. You can go to the chat window. There you can see I have written https://2 and then collab.research.google.com. Copy that code, paste it into your browser here. Okay, paste it over there and then execute. When you open it, you will get a small window where you need to sign in. Okay, once you had signed in using your any Gmail ID, then you need to click on new notebook. Okay, when you click new notebook, yes.
After opening browser, ma'am, what we have to do?
Yes, after opening the browser,
I have opened.
okay, you have opened the browser now. Vidisha, you were yesterday also.
Yes, ma'am. But
Now
ma'am,
I'm getting confused. Browser, you know, na, yesterday we were doing. So
ma'am, but my laptop switched off. That's why I can't do it.
okay. So after opening browser, you need to type the address or copy the address and paste it over here. See, suppose for example, when you open a browser, it will open this way. Okay, I'm in private browsing because I am using. So what do you need to do? Go to the Zoom. In the chat, you get this. Copy that code.
Ma'am, I can't see your screen.
Okay, sorry. I am not sharing my screen. 1 minute. See, now I hope you are able to see my screen. See, what I did, I copied the URL address from there. And then what I'm doing, I'm pasting the link over here. Okay, till here, do all of you do this?
Ma'am, we have to start from collab.
Yes, collab.research.google.com.
Ma'am, can you wait for some minutes?
No issues.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, when we will start from arcade app?
Arcade after this, beta. We'll make few programs here, then we'll go to arcade.
Ma'am, I have searched it. Then ma'am, what we have to do?
Once there's no searching, it will open directly. I have given you the link of the. So you must have reached to this position.
Wait, ma'am. Ma'am, it is showing like this. Ma'am, wait.
This place you need to just come to this position. Others, so you are able to open the collab, na? Yes, Kimran?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Those who were there yesterday, you know how to open the collab. You don't have any problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vidisha, is it done? Yes, Vidisha?
It is showing like this. Wait.
Okay, let me stop sharing, then I can see your screen better. Yes, Vidisha, now share 1 minute.
Ma'am, it is showing like this.
So 1 minute. Yes, there is a new notebook. It is written, na? Click on new notebook.
Yes, ma'am. Fine. Ma'am, I've opened.
Let it open. It has not opened properly. Yes. Now, and right hand side at the top, do you find your profile written? Your name or something is written. Did you sign in using your Gmail ID?
Ma'am, wait.
No, this is the left hand side. Right hand side top, do you see your email ID or name? Just see.
Ma'am, where? Right hand
Right hand
side.
side top. There, the wherever you are writing your name, you write down your name. It is correct.
Okay, ma'am. Wait. W. Ma'am, I have searched.
Now, right hand side, just see to the right hand side what is coming. Are you getting at the right hand side? Because this is left hand side, the right hand side. What is written at the left hand, right hand side top? Do you see your name? I'll show my screen. 1 minute. Are you getting sign in or some name is written like this way? Or this way it is coming?
No, ma'am.
It is written sign in?
No, ma'am.
Then what is written there?
Ma'am, comment, share, and connect collab AI.
No, you are not getting your Google account or something like this. When you hover your mouse, you should get your name and account, whichever ID you have used for sign in.
No.
You didn't sign in?
No, ma'am.
I told you to sign in using your Gmail ID.
Wait. I have written my name, then it is not coming.
Hey, left hand side, you leave it. Right hand side. Go to right hand side.
Ma'am, it is not showing.
1 second. Let me stop sharing. Uh, hmm, 1 minute. Just keep your mark. It is not blur. I am not able to see your screen.
Ma'am. No. See, ma'am, it is coming like this when I have put here my name.
This is the okay. After share, what is coming?
Ma'am, we have to click share.
No, not share. After that, share, what is coming?
Ma'am, nothing it is showing.
1 minute, 1 minute. Go at the top.
Yes, ma'am.
It is signed in, child. I think it is signed in.
Okay, ma'am, I have put yes. Ma'am, we have to send.
No. No need of sending anything. I wanted to check it is signed in. Okay, leave it. Which is some Gmail ID signed in right now in this browser?
Ma'am, what?
Is there any Gmail ID signed in this browser right now?
Ma'am,
Any Gmail ID?
I have put my Gmail ID.
You have put your Gmail ID. No, there is no need of sending anything. Close it. Close this window. I
Close
think
it.
it is signed in because what is the left tab? This is the collab tab. Left tab, what is it? It is
Ma'am, it is
your
like
Gmail ID. Not here, child. Tab means top.
oh,
This
here.
is your collab and the left one. Before collab, what is it open?
Ma'am, collab.
Nick, you are right now on the collab window. Before that, what window it is? It is a Gmail ID. Your Gmail ID is open.
No, ma'am.
Then what is it open?
Ma'am, it is open. The screen, ma'am, where you have written like where you have written the code.
Okay. I think it is signed in. Chalo, let's see. It is signed in. That's why you're getting share and all. Okay. So now you start doing the code, whatever I am telling you. Okay. Okay, this is the first line that you need to. This line also I have given in the chat window. So you need to write in the code wherever you see this triangle sign. So what happens whenever you hover, you get a triangle sign. You need to paste this line in the executable. There is a code block and there is one text block. So you need to paste it in the code block and run it. How can you run? By clicking on this triangle sign. So those who are new, please, I have given this code in the chat window, copy from there, paste it and then execute it. And it is case sensitive. So capital and small, everything you need to check. Okay? Is it done?
Ma'am, after I have put ma'am this code, see, ma'am, now what we have to do?
Click on the triangle, it will execute.
Okay.
Is it saying downloading Colab Total Plus, something like that? Is it saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So it's done. Once it's done, you can click on code. Again, you can click on this code. Okay. If I am writing something, so I will click on text. Otherwise, I'll click on code. If I'm writing, it's done. Yes, Vidisha, it is done. So you need to click on text. Click the on the top. You will get text. Click on text and then write like this, the way I have written.
Ma'am, where?
Click on text, you will get a text block. There you can write double quotes, double star, write a program to draw a circle.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Sure.
Okay. Done.
Ma'am,
Okay.
what?
After
No?
that, once you have done, then again click on code. You will get a code like this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now you write import.
Ma'am, in pink.
Huh?
Pink color we have to put. Ma'am,
Pink
import.
automatically you will get. I am not changing the color. It is automatically.
Put.
Collab.turtle as key. Okay. Now next step is key dot clear SCREEN screen. This code will. Yes, child.
Now we have to write this again.
Yes. Now you will write. We are making a circle. We are writing a new program.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, this is for everyone. So T dot clear screen. After T dot, yes, beta.
Ma'am, I don't understand.
Who is saying this?
Ma'am, Anirudh.
Anirudh, you have joined today.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you open the Colab file?
Yes, ma'am.
Then did you execute that statement pip install? This line, did you install? Did you execute this line?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you need to write this code, whatever I am doing. See,
Ma'am, after writing the code, ma'am, what you have written, ma'am, T dot clear screen, ma'am. How do write?
how to write means?
Ma'am, you have written that T dot clear screen.
Huh?
So, ma'am, how should we write, ma'am, only this?
Same way, the way I am writing, you need to copy the same lines.
Ma'am, ma'am, it is only showing one line only, like this.
उनको बोलो कि मैंने ये लिख दिया है.
Okay, 1 minute. Let me stop sharing and see your screen 1 second. See, you need to write, put an enter key and keep on writing over there. Put an enter key. After
ma'am, I
T,
have-
put an enter key. Yes,
Okay.
now write. Yes. I am writing in that same cell. You are working correctly. No issues. Okay. Now see. So once you have written the first line, then you need to put an enter key and then write T dot clear screen. T dot clear screen is actually for clearing the screen. Then T dot setup, and here we'll write some screen size I am giving. 400 by 400 I have given. Okay. And then I want to make a background color. Yesterday we didn't do this thing. So T dot BG color. I want to give a beautiful yellow color. Okay. In the background. So, like this. Okay. Now, after that, I want to increase the thickness of the lines. Yesterday, you must have seen all the drawings were very thin.
Ma'am, where we have
Black.
to write this?
This you have to write, click on code and then write, beta. Click on code and this statement, these all lines, whatever I am writing, they are code. So, you need to execute these codes. Okay. And then T dot pen. Now, pen is actually the turtle pen that is used for drawing. So, pen color. And this pen color, I want it to be blue. So, I'll write blue here. Okay. And after that, pen size, the thickness of the pen, that I want to make it little 10. And I want to draw the drawing very fast. So, you can increase actually the speed of the drawing is from 1 to 12. So, I'm making it 10. So, it is not so. And fill color is like fill color. So leave it. I'll not going to go with the fill color right now. And then we'll write T dot CIRCLE circle. And 50 is the diameter. So let's see. See, it has given a yellow background and then it has made a circle of circle with blue color. Why blue color? Because the pen color was blue. If I change the pen color to red, it will make a red circle.
Please scroll up.
See. And after writing the code, you need to click on this triangle to execute the code. Okay. And we are getting that turtle head here. So that we can do remove it. Anyone can tell me what should I write so that this triangle is not
T dot hide.
hide turtle. Great. T dot hide turtle.
Excuse me, ma'am. After putting this code, ma'am, what we have to click?
Triangle. The left hand side triangle is there. You need to click there. Then it will run the program. So now you can see that triangle head is not there.
No, it is not here.
What happened? You are not clicking the triangle, beta.
Uh,
The left side is triangle.
ma'am, I have clicked.
Then what it is saying? One.
Ma'am, why
So you-
run? I'm like this. And ma'am, in T dot big color yellow, ma'am, it is showing red line.
1 minute. BG color it is. BG color, double quotes yellow. Your program is executing, but it is giving an error. Okay. So yellow should be in double quotes. Just see my statement, how I am writing. See, yellow is in double quotes. Red is also in double quotes.
Ma'am, but when I am clicking ma'am double quote, it is showing like else.
Double quotes start with double quotes and end with double quotes. Because it is a language and you need to follow the rules of the language, then only it will execute.
Ma'am, see here I'm just clicking ma'am this type of double quote.
Type the double quotes from the keyboard.
Ma'am, I'm just like typing. So ma'am, it is showing like
So you write on yellow. Yellow here.
YE. Ma'am, I have done.
Double round, close the bracket. After single quote, close the bracket. Closing round bracket.
Ma'am, I have closed.
No, your quotes is outside the round bracket. You need to go use the arrow key, move to the move after the single quote and then put the closing round bracket. Yes. Now it is okay. Run. Put the triangle. Click on the triangle.
Then please show the screen.
Yes, child. I'm sorry.
Ma'am, see, now it's working.
Scroll down. You will see it's there on your computer.
Okay. It is showing on black color.
Because you didn't write this line. Na? I wrote this line because of that my circle was of red color. Because I changed the pen color to red. Okay.
Fine, ma'am. Wait, I'm just also writing. Ma'am, can I change the shape of the number?
Shape of the number means what, ma'am? What? 50?
Like
50 you want to make a bigger circle? Yes, we can do it. Like I want to make it of 60 or 80.
yes, okay.
We'll make a bigger circle. See, it is making a bigger circle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now I want this circle to be filled with some color. Till here, I hope all of you have done.
Oh, ma'am, I'm just writing the T.
Oh, ma'am.
Okay. I'll wait for 2 to 3 minutes to do it. Okay. So see here, I wanted to give a color. So what we can do, fill color, COLOR. Okay. Fill color is equal to, I want this fill color to be blue, BLUE. Okay. And after that, I have to write, whenever you are saying fill color, there is one T dot begin fill and T dot end fill. That also we need to write begin underscore fill. T dot begin fill and it should be T dot end underscore fill. Okay, now let's see. Execute the code. See. Okay. So now here what we have done, we have added some fill color blue and when before drawing that circle, I started T dot begin fill. And after drawing the circle, I wrote T dot end fill. If you don't write T dot end fill, the color will actually spill off. So we need to write a T dot end fill also. Okay. I hope all of you have done.
Just putting the bracket.
How can we change the color of the fill the color that we want to fill the circle with.
You write any other color. Suppose I want a background color to pink. Write on pink. And here I want a pen color to be green. Write on
Mom, in like this fill the circle in the fill.
fill you want suppose yellow.
Okay.
So write on yellow. Okay. So see, now our background color is pink. 1 second, child. 1 second. So now see the background color is
If
pink.
you,
I
if
wrote
you,
yes, but bache,
ma'am, mine is not working.
what is the error?
Ma'am, it is not showing error. It is
Fill
also
color.
not
Nishant, you are not getting the fill color, na? So did you write begin fill and end fill? See the statement. It should match, exactly match. You must not have written fill color. This statement is missing, and I have written
No,
T
ma'am. T. Yes, ma'am. T dot begin fill.
and T dot end fill also you have written,
Yes, ma'am. T dot end fill.
and fill color,
Yes, ma'am. That also.
spelling double quotes, everything is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, 1 minute. Let me see your screen. 1 minute. Show window. The code. Go up. Go code.
Yes, ma'am.
Now scroll up. Scroll up. I can see only the circle. Scroll up to the code. But I want to see the code. It should match the code, the way I have written.
This.
Nishant is sharing 1 minute. T dot 1 minute. Blue. See, you have not written begin fill. How it will start the color?
Yes, ma'am.
I told you now after T dot, before T dot circle, you should write T dot begin fill. That is missing in your statement. See,
Okay.
computer is not very intelligent. Yesterday I told you, whatever you write, it will execute in the same manner. Since you are not writing begin fill, it is not started begin fill. So put an enter key, put your cursor before T dot circle and put an enter key and then write T dot begin underscore fill. Then it will fill the color.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, who else is see if at all your codes are not matching the way I am writing, it will not execute in the same manner. You just see the code. I will put this code in the chat window so that those who are having problem, you can check it. Okay. See, I am giving the code. The whole code I have given in the chat window. You can check it from there. Yes, children, is it done?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, one more doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is not showing the color that I have matched.
Okay. What did you write?
Ma'am, I have written pen color red and fill color blue, but it is not showing.
What color it is showing?
Ma'am, it is showing black only.
It is showing you black. Fill color is also black.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is the BG color?
BG color is yellow, ma'am.
BG color is yellow. How come? 1 second. Can you show me screen? Go up. Scroll up. You have written yellow. BG color yellow. Yellow is working fine. Color COLOR. Spelling of pen color is pen COLOR. You have written COLOUR.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, the other spelling also is wrong. Fill color
Yes.
is also fill COLOR. Okay. Yes. Who else is having?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I have done. Ma'am, when I'm putting the bracket, like before the pen color there,
Like I'm putting the bracket. After that, at the end, I could not put it.
Then you have to put now, otherwise it is an error.
Ma'am, like I'm putting it at the first, I already done it, but at the last, I could not.
So do it again. But click there and write. Click there. We can click any time in any of the program.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, it is showing like this, ma'am, when I have clicked the triangle one.
Who is saying Kavi?
Sure.
Vidisha. Okay, 1 minute, child. Let me see your screen 1 second. It seems you have not written the code in the code window. You have written it in the text. So that's why it is not executing. 1 minute. No, it is okay. It is okay. And why there are so many brackets in the end?
Ma'am, where?
After height turtle, what did you have? What you have written? So many round brackets you have written. Did it do the extra statements?
Ma'am, in T dot height turtle one.
No, after T dot height turtle, why 2 round brackets are there?
I don't know, ma'am. When I have clicked, then it is coming.
Delete it. There are extra round brackets. That's why this error is coming.
Ma'am, now it is also coming when I have
Hey,
clicking.
1 minute, let me see. T dot circle, T dot begin underscore. It is not dash, it is underscore. Underscore you will get by shift and you have written minus sign. Minus is not, it is underscore.
From where we will got the underscore.
Go to wherever you have written a minus, that same shift and that press that same key will get. Before
Okay.
plus. You have written T dot begin minus fill. It is not minus, it is T dot begin underscore fill. Okay. Okay, so rest of you, I think all of you have done it. I have given the code in the chat also. If anyone is having any problem, you can copy it from there and paste it in your Colab. It will execute. Okay. So now we wish to make a semicircle. Anyone can tell me what is a semicircle?
Ma'am, half of a circle.
Yes, half of a circle. So we are making a semicircle. Program to make or draw a semicircle.
Ma'am, from where you are writing?
I am clicking on text and then writing. You need to click on text and then you can write. And when you click on code, you can write the program. Okay?
And what we have to draw?
Semicircle. So what I am doing, I am copying the previous program. Okay? The same program. I am going to paste it over here. Just T dot circle after 80, I will write 180. So it is going to divide that circle into half. See. But I don't get this line. Okay. I'm not getting this line after that. So what we have to do, it has drawn the circle, but I don't get, I want to
Ma'am, I have done.
done now. So, okay, this is done. But what is the issue? I am not getting that line. So what we need to do? T dot LT. And what is the total size? See, it is 80. So 80 means how much it is? It is actually the 40. The radius is 40. So we can say that, or else we can write 80. 80 we should write 70 because thickness is also 10. Thickness is also 10 now. If I write T dot LT and then T dot, oh sorry, T dot LT is 90. It should turn by 90 degree. And then T dot FD. FD should be like it was 50. 50 is the, suppose here, what is the radii? Radii is 80. 80 plus 80 is 160. Let's see. So now you can see the whole D properly. Check the spelling here. The spelling of color is COLOR. Many of you might be writing COLOUR. That is spelling of color when we write in English, but here it is coding. So here, these are all syntax that you need to follow. Yes, I hope all of you have made.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great.
No,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Vidisha, yours is also done, na?
Yes, ma'am. But when I was copied it, ma'am, it is delete. Then I am starting.
Okay, you can copy the code. It is there in the chat window. From there, you can copy the code.
I'm done.
Done. Okay. So everyone has done?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay, now we have to make one Pac-Man. Then Pac-Man is little interesting. After that, we'll go to arcade.makecode. Okay. So let's try to make a Pac-Man. Okay. So write a program to draw a Pac-Man. Okay. So now what I'll do, I'll copy the whole program here. So I'm copying the whole program like this, and we'll be doing some changes in that program so that it draws a Pac-Man. Okay. So now here, instead of, if I write 270, okay, it is not a semicircle, only 1/4 of the circle. If you delete, it becomes a Pac-Man, isn't it? And these statements I don't want to execute right now. I'm putting a hashtag before that. So if you put hashtag before any of the codes in Python, that will become a non-executable statement. Okay. So these two lines will not execute. Let's see what output I'm going to get. See, it has created, but what should happen? Actually, it is spilling from there. It should go like this and like this. Then it will become a Pac-Man, isn't it?
Yes, mom.
If I draw a line like this, then it should become a Pac-Man. So for that, what I need to do here, I will say, let it go 90 degrees and draw T dot FD. So what is the radii? Radii is 80. T dot 80. FD it should go for 80 degrees. Then again it should take a right turn. T dot RT 90. And then again T dot FD 80. So if you see here, what will happen? So this, see, it from here, it took a left turn. It took a left turn like this. Okay. Because the this one head was like this. If it has to take a right turn, it will go this side. And if it is left turn, it will go this side. And then it took a FD of 80 because FD is for the forward line. Okay. Forward. And after that, what it happened? From there, the turtle head was like this. So it should go down. So for that, I did a RT. And again, an 80 is the, because the radii of the, this one was 80. So I used 80. So you can
Ma'am,
see the Pac-Man
can you
is
show
there.
me the command?
Yes, please.
Ma'am, can you show me the command?
It is here only. Command is here. It is there on my screen.
The text.
Text only, child. My screen is shared. You can see. I have done little bit changes in the previous program. So you can see.
Done, ma'am.
Done.
Ma'am, scroll up.
This way you will get, okay?
Ma'am, mine is not going correct.
Correct. What happened? You just match the code line by line with my screen.
Ma'am, can you scroll down?
Scroll down. Why?
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Scroll up. I want to check the code.
Code. Check the code.
Ma'am, see, it is showing like this, ma'am, when I have started the new project.
New project. Why will you start a new project?
Ma'am, when I was copying the this import collab turtle and ma'am this T cleared screen, ma'am, then I was just copying. So ma'am, it suddenly deleted. Then I have restarted.
So then you need to do pip install again. The first line that I have given.
Okay.
That line should be executed again. Otherwise, it will not work. Turtle will not work.
Okay, ma'am.
Others, all of you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, great. So now we are going to stop the collab here only. We'll go to Makecode Arcade. Okay, that was little interesting.
Yes, ma'am, I have done.
This is also interesting, but this is core programming. There we have block-based coding.
Ma'am, from browser we have to open.
Yes, from browser only. I'm not going to ask you to install anything. We will be opening on browser only.
Ma'am, can you please tell how to save this one?
This is saved, beta. This is online. This is all, everything is saved. We don't need to save it. It gets saved. See, all changes are getting saved. I don't need to save it. So what I'm doing, I'm giving the code of this Pacman also in the chat window. From there, you can copy it and paste those who are not able to do it. Okay. So it is already saved. It is whatever you are doing on the browser, it gets automatically saved. Okay.
Ma'am, but on my PC it needs again and again sign in. Then it shows that the changes may be left.
Excuse me.
See, you if it is like that, and click on file and click on save. There is a save button also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I have
Excuse me, ma'am. I have a question.
Yes.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask if you want to like this Pac-Man that we have made, if you want to turn it a bit so it's
Now you have to use your IQ a little bit, because Pac-Man is not like this. Pac-Man actually, it is from the other side. Okay. So for turning it to the other side, you need to think it little bit. What we can do, we are starting from here and going that way. So you can start like this and do like this. Okay. So for that, what we need to do, we can draw the circle. Okay. And then what you can do, you can sign from the other side. Let me show. I'll tell you, like here, if I write, like suppose minus 80. So what happens? See, it has turned this side. Okay. And then from here, it can go like this to, it is actually turning. So it started from down, no? Can you see? If I wrote minus 80, the side actually changed.
Ma'am, I have opened the Makecode one.
Okay, great. Chalo, we'll do that. That is little, what you have to do for that, you can think of the positioning, where you are going to position it.
We have to click the new project one.
Yes, 1 minute. Let me go to microsoft.makecode.com. There I am going to click on arcade. And first thing, you need to sign in, children. Otherwise, whatever you are making, it is all gone. Okay, sign in using your any Gmail ID. And if at all you have a Microsoft ID, then you can use it. So I am going to sign in with my, sorry, not Gmail ID. I will sign in using my Microsoft ID. I have a Microsoft ID.
Ma'am, what we have to write to open this?
Okay, what we have to write, 1 minute. Go to this one. I am giving the
Ma'am, now see.
1 minute. See, I am giving the link in the chat window. So from there you can reach to this position. Okay. Once
And
you are,
ma'am,
uh,
when I have signed, ma'am, it is showing like this. Ma'am, new project.
okay, it is correct. No issues. So I am now we are going to click on arcade. Okay, this is the arcade one. So arcade, you have to go click on sign in. So I am going to sign in with my Microsoft ID.
There is no market.
Okay, now you might not be getting so many programs, but you might be getting only new project. Okay. So click on this new project and give it a name. So let the name be, I want to change the background. Changing background. Okay. So my program is changing the backgrounds. With click. Changing the background with click or with on press of button or something like that. Okay. With click of a button or with click. Chalo, with click. I'm making it like this. So you will get this is a this window is actually for when the program executes, you get this window. Okay.
But like this in my window.
Oh, you are on the microbit. You need to go to arcade.makecode.com.
And I have signed, ma'am, it is showing, no, it is not showing arcade.
I am giving you the link. Arcade.makecode.com. You need to go to arcade.makecode.com. Yesterday we were doing that microbit thing. Today we are
Ma'am, the new project.
yes, new project. Give it a name, and then we'll do like this. Okay. So all of you go to arcade.makecode.com and sign in using your any ID.
Ma'am, when I signed it, ma'am, it is showing like this.
It is the click on new project.
And ma'am, what we have to write?
First of all, come to this screen, then only I'll tell you what to write. All of you are there on the same screen?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Yes. You should get make code arcade at the left side, and your so ID should be here. See, it should come my profile and sign out something like that. Otherwise, whatever you are making, it will be all lost. Okay. So on start, I want to set the background of this player window to some color. Let me go to the background color. Go to scenes. You get set background color too. Okay, I want to give it a color like, I want to give it a color like this. Okay, by default, whenever the program will start, I'm giving it this color. Okay, so now when these are the buttons. Okay, these all are buttons. If I click on A button, it should become red. And if I click on B button, it should become blue or according to your wish. Okay, so click on controller, and on the controller, you will get on A button pressed. I'm going to duplicate, set background color to red. Okay, and again duplicate this. Okay, change this A to B, and this change the background color to yellow. Okay, so what should happen? Here by default, the color of the screen will be blue, And if I press on A button, it should become red. And if I press on B button, it should become yellow. See.
After doing this, what we have to click?
See, this one you have written now.
Yes,
After that,
ma'am.
go to controller. There you will get on A button pressed.
Ma'am, I have done the controls, ma'am. After that,
This much only, and then you run it. Run the program by clicking A button. If you press A button, you will get a red color. If you press on B button, you will get a yellow color. This program is done.
okay, ma'am.
Okay. So all of you have done till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to make a happy birthday card. Okay, that you can share with your friends also. So if you wish to share, here is the publish your game and get a shareable link like this. See, if you want to give it to someone, what we can do, we can click on share and we can share the project like this. Okay, and you get this copy. Suppose you want to share it with your friends. I have copied and I am suppose I want to give it to you, or you can ask your friends to check. So see, I have shared the program with you people, and you can click on there and check how the program executes. Okay, so this is the way to share the program. So now we'll make a happy birthday card. Okay. Done?
Ma'am, after ma'am, see, like this I have put. And ma'am, now how should we get ma'am on B button pressed?
See, you just you whenever you click on A, you will get B also. So duplicate this code. Click on duplicate, duplicate, and when you change this A to B, then you will get this window.
No, ma'am, how should we get on A button pressed?
Controller, you will get on the controller. In the controller, you get this window, this code. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So all of you have done?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
pink
Okay.
color on.
You can use any color, whichever you wish. So can we now make this birthday card?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now you can send your friends your birthday if they are having. Click on Makecode Arcade and again click on New Project. Okay. So birthday card. Birthday card.
Ma'am, how we get duplicate one?
Duplicate, right click.
Okay.
You get duplicate.
Wait, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so all of you are there on with a new screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, first of all, go to this scene. You get here, you are getting set background image to. Drag and drop it here. And click on this square box. You will get some, there are predefined images from the gallery. You can get some images. I am going to take this birthday one. Okay. And
Now, where you have gone to editor?
okay, 1 minute, let me see. To make a new program, what you need to do, click on Makecode Arcade and then click on New Project. Again, you will give a name and then you get on Start button by default. Okay. So after that, you need to click on Scene and there you get Set Background Image to. Okay. Done?
Wait, ma'am. Now scene. Set background image.
Yes, done, mom.
Click
Yes.
on this square and then click on gallery.
Gallery.
Okay, you get this birthday cake. I'm selecting that cake and click on done.
Ma'am, but in mine it is not showing any birthday. Yes, ma'am. Now. Yes, ma'am. I have
In
chosen.
gallery, you will get in gallery.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Mom, could
Now-
you please show again? I didn't understand.
So click on this square box. In the gallery, you will get this cake. Select that and click on done. We'll get that cake.
Oh no, it is not. Ma'am, but what we have to do next?
Done. Na? Now you have to go to again this scene. Okay. There is one confetti effect. Scroll down. In the effects, you will get start screen confetti effect. Drag this and apply it here.
Start screen conflict is. Ma'am, but it is not showing.
Now scroll down, you will get. In the scene, it is when you go down after camera, you have effects. Okay. In that effects, you get start screen confetti effect. So this confetti effect you can see on the screen. Done? You can change
Yes,
that if you want some smileys. So you can see smileys will start coming. See. If you want to add something else like hearts, so hearts will start coming. So it's up to you what you want to add. See. Yeah. If you want to add stars, if you click over here, you will get stars also. Now I want to play some music. So when I'm saying I want to play some music, so what I need to do? I need to go to music and click on play melody. Scroll down here. And here we can make our own melody. Okay. Now here what I am doing. See, I added a tone to it. Okay. So like this, I said it's up to you if you want. See. It's up to you how you want to add. Okay. So suppose we added like this. It all depends on you. See. Now I want to wish that happy birthday to you. Like that, I want to wish. So for that, I need a text sprite. So text sprite you won't get like this. Click on advanced. One minute. Click on extensions also. We get text sprite. 1 minute. 1 second. I'll show you back. 1 minute. See here in extensions. Click on extensions. Okay. Scroll down. Scroll down. You will get arcade text. So I am getting this text sprite. See. By default, you won't get this text sprite.
ma'am, what, ma'am?
You need to click on see text sprite you won't get. So I want to write something. So for that I need a text sprite. Okay. So you need to click on extension. After clicking on extension, it will take to a new window. Scroll down you will get here arcade text. Click on this. Okay, so it will be added in your
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
arcade. Okay, you will get this text sprite. And when you click on the text sprite, you have set text sprite to. And what you want to do? You want to write happy birthday to you. Happy to you. Okay.
Excuse me,
And
mom.
yes, Bache.
Mom, will you show after going in extension what to do, because I would not able
In
to.
extension, when you scroll down, you need to select arcade text sprite. Arcade text. Click here and it will be added.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. And then you need to click on text sprite and select this first one. Now this text sprite needs to be positioned. See where it is coming. It is not coming proper now. I want to position it and even decorate the happy birthday statement. Okay. So for positioning it, we need to use in the set text sprite position. See, you need to go to sprites. In sprites, you get set position. Okay. So instead of my sprite, you need to use text sprite. Okay. And I want to position it to like, see, you can change the X. See, X will, what will happen? X will make it little center. And if I say Y will make it little down. So like this. See where it is coming. It is coming at this position. So I need to change the X more. Now also it is not coming proper. So what we need to do? We need to change it little bit more. What I am doing, I am going to make it like suppose 67. I think it is the center and this 254. See, now it is coming. And now I want to deco because it is not visible. Okay. So in the text sprite, you have set text sprite, max font and all is there. Select this. Make it font 7. It will become little big. And then again, you can go to text sprite and then give a outline of 1 and the color can be red. Now see. See, now it is looking beautiful. So this much only, this whole, this is the card you can make, and even you can, once it is done, if you're satisfied, you can click on share. Okay, we can publish the card, share project, and then you can copy it and share to your friends on WhatsApp or Facebook or anywhere. So I am sharing with you people. You can check the card, how it looks. See. You can send it to your friends on WhatsApp or wherever you wish. So all of you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
It is interesting.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it is very interesting.
Hmm.
Ma'am, it is awesome. I have seen it.
All of you have done?
Yes, ma'am.
Anyone who has
Yes, ma'am.
not been able to do it?
Ma'am, I am doing.
Okay, do it.
Okay.
We have some more time. We can make one more program. That is also a very interesting one. That is something very similar.
Mom, could you please show again how to share this?
Okay. Click on this triangle. This sign is there now. Click over here. Okay. And then what you need to
Okay,
do?
mom.
Click on share project. Then you will get that link. Okay.
Okay, mom.
In the music, I think we can add our own songs also. That also could be done. See here, if I am click over here, you will see you can add your own songs also. We can add it. Okay. That could also be done. Hmm. If you want to make a welcome screen, that could also be done. Or some quiz and all, many things could be done here. There's a little interesting one. Let me show. This is also very interesting. I want a sprite to move with the buttons. Okay. Do you want to make one more program?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just go to here. Click on new project. Moving my sprite. Moving my sprite. Create. Okay. So now here, what I'm going to do, go to scene and you have set tile map. Click over here and click on this. Okay. Now here, what I am going to do, I am going to create a tile. So for that, what we need to do, we need to create a wall first of all, so that so drawing the wall, suppose I am drawing, this is the wall, And the rest of the place, I want to fill it with mhm. So this way I'm making. Why we need to make a wall? So that our sprite doesn't fall off. Okay. So once we have,
Can you tell again?
see, there is a wall here. I clicked on wall and created a wall in the end. And otherwise, if you don't want this, you can use fill color and directly click on this fill and you can fill it directly any color, whichever you wish. So I tried making this beautiful design. So I clicked this and made all over and then use the center one and clicked over here. Okay. And if I say done, just see what it is going to make. It has made like this. But wall it is. Chalo, okay. And 1 minute. So let me go here. So walls it is showing. By default, it will not show the walls. So like this. Let me see. Chalo. Let's click on done. So I have made this. So there is a wall in the end. Okay. So now what we need to do. Now I want my sprite. So you need to go to set my sprite. Now here, set my sprite to, and here I'll select some sprite over here. From gallery, you can select any sprite. Anything like, if I select this, okay, done. So this is my sprite, the kind player. And then one more, I need to move the sprite, the controller, get, move my sprite with buttons. That's it. Just see. See, it is moving. So it is moving like this. See. So like this it is. The sprite is moving. Okay. For tile, we can change. We can go to my tiles. Okay. If you want to change it. So we want to make a create a new. Okay, I want to use suppose this. And then hold on. I had made my own. I made like this. So it is done. I made my own balls. Done. So if I run again, so like this, you can see. You can make your own design, or you can use your pre-built design or anything you can use. Like if you are using from the gallery, to gallery also you can use. You have beautiful designs already made. Sorry, like this. So you have to change it according to your requirement, and you can make anything. Okay. So this way you can make your own tiles, your own designs, and create it. It should be 8 by 8. 10 by 8. 10 by 8. Now you should make, then only it will be correct. So now it is okay. Done. Now see. See, it is not falling off now. It was initially falling off. So the size of that tile, whatever we are making, it should be 10 by 8. Then it will be correct. Okay. See, it is not falling off the screen. Yes, children.
Ma'am,
Are
from,
you able to- Yes.
excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, from where you get a set tilt temp? Ma'am, this one.
Set tile map
Huh.
in the scene. Scene, if you go scroll down, you get set tile map to tile map.
And ma'am, when I am clicking tile map and when I am scrolling, ma'am, it is coming in info, then loops.
No. No, you have to click on scene only. In scene, you will get this tile map.
Ma'am, I am just only clicking in scene when I am scrolling it. Ma'am, it is coming info. When I am scrolling it, it is coming loops.
Loops to here only. Na? You get, it is here only. Don't scroll. Click on scene, and then this further this window will open.
See, ma'am, when I am clicking it, and it is showing like this. And when I am scrolling it, it is showing like this.
Arey child, you are actually, if you scroll all the codes, it will get, na? You need to click on scene, and then only scene things will come.
Okay.
Click on scene and scroll little bit under the, and you will get this tile maps. Under the tile maps, you will get this.
Oh.
Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just take care when you are creating your own tile to make it 10 by 8. And add a wall in the end. I have added a wall in the end. So I have added a wall in the end. Okay, that's why what is happening. My sprite is not falling off the screen. Okay. Yes, children. You can adjust, you can make new programs. What about others? All of you, did you enjoy?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
I hope now you will be creating beautiful birthday cards for your friends and share with them.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So any queries from anyone?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. Great.
So Vidisha, I think you are very, very active. Good. Aditya, did you enjoy? Did you practice? Aditya? Anirudh, did you practice?
Yes, sir.
Good. Arush, did you like it?
Yes, sir.
Did you practice or you are just watching?
No, sir.
Himangi,
Yes, sir.
did you practice?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Avika,
Yes, sir.
did you practice with ma'am?
Yes, sir. I practice with ma'am. And sir, I thought that these sessions should be every week.
Okay. Deepti,
Yes, sir.
did you practice? Did you enjoy?
Yes, sir. I enjoyed it.
Good. Bhavi, Narayani,
Yes, sir.
Sir.
you all start with 18, 20 people. By the end of the session, I only see 13, 14 people. And we are 3 of us.
Yes, only 13 means 3. If you leave 3, then it is only 10 students are actually doing it.
Yeah. We started with 18, 19 people and then we came down to 13. We need to find out why. Are they not being able to cope up or they're not enjoying or they have gone out on Sunday? We need to find out. Anyway, thanks a lot to ma'am for another good and interesting session. And we'll definitely have many more such sessions. So I'll talk to the students, talk to the parents, and I think they all are interested. We'll plan another session sometime, and we'll do it continuously.
Okay.
So yeah, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, all of you.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hi,
Hi,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.